store locator that I created, and you can download this code for free at mikescodeschool.com. I'm just going to show you what it does, and to show you how to set up everything, meaning the database, the HTML editor like Dreamweaver for the code. Go to mikescodeschool.com and select Google Maps store locator, and it'll say watch first, and that's going to show you how to do all that stuff, the database, the HTML editor, and then come back and watch this tutorial on how this actual locator is going to function, because I have about 8 different store locators to choose from, and they're all for free, but to set up the database, it kind of gives you an overview. Alright, in this one we're just going to show you what it does. Alright, let's just say if you've been with me on other tutorials, we have a fictitious hotel named My Hotel, and let's say we're going to go to South Florida on vacation. We just want to search for locations. So let's just enter a city down there, and there I entered a city, and then it searched and found some locations. I can hover over them. Alright, and you see when I hover over the result in the sidebar, it highlights it, but also highlights the marker at the same time. So changes and changes. And what it's doing, it automatically is searching a 10-mile radius from the location I entered. So here's the location, the town I entered. So it searched for 10 miles. Okay. Now, if you click on one of these, it's going to zoom in. It's going to show you an image, more information. Even if they have a website for that location, can do that, and then they can also enter their address to get directions. Oh, another thing, let me just go one more time, zoom in. They can also, of course, go and do the street scene. Alright, there we have it. Or it's actually right there in the building. You go down here. I put it in the latitude and longitude to set it up, because this is a big complex here, but there's that building. Alright, another thing that it's going to do is, you see we have the 3 locations that appear. So now if I go like this, now only 2 are on the map, only 2 are over here. So the only results you're going to show in the sidebar are the results that are on the map. So if you scroll down a little bit further, now we're down to 1. Then a little bit further, another location popped up down here, and then here it is. Okay, and that will pretty much do it for right here on the map. Let me show you real quick the code. Oh, one thing I just want to tell you about is what's happening. It's recalculating all the time. Like what this does, it searches a 10-mile radius from the center point of the map. Okay, and that's the order they're going to appear in. So if I go like this a little bit, you see they flip-flop because the center of this map is probably here, which is going to be closer to this location, so it appears first. That's how that works. So let's go look at some of the code. Here I am in Dreamweaver, and I'm in the JS folder, and I open up the scripts file. If you notice up here on line 10, default radius 10, so that's 10 miles. You can set it to whatever you want it to be. I just set it at 10 miles. So that's how it's automatically searching a specific distance. Now I go down here a little bit, and I just want to show you the markers. Right here on line 185, it's a blue marker. As you saw when the results first appear, it's a blue marker. And then when you hover over the results in the sidebar or the marker, it turns to red, and here is that. And then when you aren't hovering over it again, it turns back to blue. Okay, that's just a simple thing to look at. And also, anything in gray here kind of is giving you instructions, just comments to help you out, telling you what the code's for. Alright, let's go back to the main site. Okay, now we're back at the site, and that's pretty much going to do it. Very simple. Just go to mikescodeschool.com and download the code absolutely free. But remember, watch that other tutorial first to see how you set up the database and Dreamweaver or your HTML editor. Thanks for watching. mikescodeschool.com.